Okay, so we're going over the Glomeromycotas and Chytrids.
Some characteristics of Glomeromycota, there are approximately 200 known species, so it is a smaller species. They form arbuscular mycorrhizae, which is a symbiotic relationship with plants that helps plants gain access to nutrients and water. They lack septae, meaning they have no cell wall between the cells, so the cells are able to roam freely. They originated from 600 to 620 million years ago. The phylogeny is challenging because you can't grow them in a lab separately from plants, and they also reproduce asexually. One organism example of this fungi is Glomus intridices, which forms the arbuscular mycorrhizae, which is that symbiotic relationship. They reproduce asexually, and they also form spores of Glomus intridices.
Another example would be the Gigaspora margarita. They look like white large spores, as you can see in the pictures. The white refers to the marguerite, as for the Gigaspora refers to large, so large white spores. Um, they do not produce intra-radical vessels, but extra-radical auxiliary cells, and they are one of the largest fungal genomes. Some interesting facts about Glomeromycota is they are all mutualistic with plants. About over 80% of the plants depend on them. And also, they are unable to grow separately from the plants in a lab.
Some characteristics about chytrids is that a chytrid is not only in one phyla, but it's actually made up of three phylas, which is the Blastocladiomycota, the Chytridomycota, and the Neoclastiomysticomycota. And the origins is a Greek word, which is chytridion, and it means little pot, referring to the structure that releases the zoospores, which you can see in the little picture, and it has a little pot-shaped top. And the cells are in fact made of chitin, the store that stores carbohydrates as well. For chytrids to be considered a true phyla, it would have to be in the Chytridiomycota phyla.
Chytrid interesting facts. They can form a rare mutualistic relationship with the guts of mammals. They're parasitic to plants, insects, and amphibians, as in the frog in the picture. Chytridion mycosis, deadly skin disease in frogs, linked to decline extinction of 7,200 species. Works cited.
All right.